to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to add GIFs to Shopify product page. So if you also want to add GIFs to Shopify product page, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. After that, click on the search bar and type in admin.shopify.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Shopify admin. You can see over here, you'll be able to see several options. So there are many ways to add the GIFs. You can also add the GIF to the product description. I'll tell you the simplest way. If you look at left, you'll be able to see several options over here. At third, you'll be able to see the option for products. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the products interface. Here you'll be able to see all the product. Now click on the product in which you want to add the GIF. You can see over here that particular product will be opened. Scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the media section. You'll be able to see the plus icon over here. If you click over here, you'll be able to add the media. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to add the media. Simply click on the option Add Media. Now upload the GIF of your choice. Simply click on the GIF that you want to upload. Now click on the Open option that you can see right over here. Wait for a while. GIF file is automatically supported by Shopify. Now click on the Done option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here the GIF has been uploaded. Click on the Preview option that you can see right over here. You can see the GIF over here. So that is how you add GIFs to Shopify product page. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.